Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to apply for Payoneer card. So first, just simply go to Payoneer.com and sign in into your account. And now, once you are on the Payoneer, just go to the left side over here, Payoneer card. So just simply click on this Payoneer cards. And now from here on the Payoneer cards, just simply click on order a card over here, guys. So click on this one. And after that, you will have two options. You can either go for virtual card or physical card. So when you get virtual card, you will be able to get it right away. Or if you go for physical, it will be delivered on you via shipping. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And after that, just simply select one. Let's say I'm going to go for virtual and click on next. And after that, guys, just simply select the card, the currency that you want. So right now I have GBP and just simply click on order card. And from there, guys, you have to wait for some time in order for you to get approved. And if you go for physical card, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. Once it is on pending approval, like this one, you can just simply click on this. And after that, you should be able to simply provide the necessary information to verify your order and just simply click on submit over here. And from here, just simply click on this, guys, get the card you ordered. So just simply provide the business details questionnaire. So just simply click on submit over here. And as you can see, just simply provide some information over here and just simply click on submit and just simply do this process on verify your address as well. And when you go to the second one, just simply provide a verification into your bank as well. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.